Amid the intensifying conflict between Syria and Israel, the Israeli military said on Saturday that 3 rockets were launched from Syria towards Israeli territory, a rare attack from the country's northeastern neighbor that comes after days of escalating violence on multiple fronts. The fresh attack raised the number of missiles fired from Syria within hours to 6. In the second barrage, 2 of the rockets crossed the border into Israel, with one being intercepted and the second landing in an open area, the military said. In the first attack, 1 rocket landed in a field in the Israel-annexed Golan Heights. Fragments of another destroyed missile fell into Jordanian territory near the Syrian border, Jordan's military reported. There was no immediate claim of responsibility for the rocket launches, which caused no damage or casualties. Later, a Damascus-based Palestinian group loyal to the Syrian regime claimed responsibility for launching the 3 missiles on Israel on Saturday, reported Beirut-based Al Mayadeen TV. The report quoted Al-Quds Brigade, a militia different from the larger Palestinian Islamist Jihad's armed wing with a similar name, as saying it fired the rockets to retaliate for the police raid on Al-Aqsa Mosque. In Syria, an advisor to the president, Bashar Assad, described the rocket strikes as part of the previous, present and continuing response to the brutal enemy. Also on Saturday, Israeli security forces shot and killed a 20-year-old Palestinian in the northern occupied West Bank, Palestinian health officials said. The Israeli military said it opened fire at Palestinians, hurling stones and explosive devices at troops. The Palestinian Health Ministry identified the Palestinian killed in the West Bank town of Azun as Ayat Salim. Meanwhile, Israel fired rockets at Syria early on Sunday in retaliation for launches against Israeli-controlled territory, the military said. Israel said it had launched artillery strikes and a drone against the rocket launchers in Syria. The unusual rocket fire from Syria comes against the backdrop of soaring Israeli-Palestinian relations, touched off by an Israeli police raid on Jerusalem's most sensitive site, the sacred compound home to the Al-Aqsa Mosque. That outraged Palestinians, marking the holy fasting month of Ramadan, and prompted militants in Lebanon as well as Palestinian militants in the Gaza Strip to fire a heavy barrage of rockets into Israel. In retaliation, Israeli warplanes struck sites allegedly linked to the Palestinian militant group Hamas in Gaza and southern Lebanon. Late Saturday, a few hundred Palestinian worshippers barricaded themselves in the mosque, which sits on a hilltop in the heart of Jerusalem's old city, sacred to both Muslims and Jews. Israeli police efforts to evict the worshippers locked in the mosque overnight with stockpiled firecrackers and stones spiraled into unrest in the holy site early this week. Capping the latest violence, a shooting Friday in the occupied West Bank and an alleged car ramming in Tel Aviv killed 2 British Israelis and an Italian tourist. The escalation prompted the Israeli Defense Minister Yoav Gallant to extend a closure barring entrance to Israel for Palestinians from the occupied West Bank and Gaza Strip for the duration of the Jewish holiday of Passover, while the police beefed up forces in Jerusalem on the eve of sensitive religious celebrations.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.